Are you over 60 and looking to boost your muscle strength? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to reveal one simple change that can make a significant difference in your strength and overall well-being. Imagine feeling stronger, more energetic, and ready to take on life with confidence. Do you often feel weaker or less energetic than you used to? You're not alone. Many seniors experience a decline in muscle strength, but the good news is that making a single change can turn things around. In this video, we'll explore what that change is and how it can enhance your life. Stay tuned for actionable tips that can transform your health. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're joining me from. Drop a comment below, share your experiences with muscle strength, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness tailored for you. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes, including muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia. Let's take a closer look at why this happens. Natural aging process. After the age of 30, we begin to lose about 3 to 5% of our muscle mass per decade. This rate accelerates after 60, making it crucial to take action. Hormonal changes. Hormones like testosterone and estrogen play significant roles in muscle maintenance. As these hormone levels decline with age, muscle strength can diminish. Sedentary lifestyle. Many seniors become less active due to health issues or mobility concerns, leading to further muscle loss. Maintaining muscle strength is essential for several reasons. Improved mobility. Strong muscles enhance balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls. Better metabolism. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest, helping to manage weight and improve overall health. Increased independence. Maintaining strength allows you to perform daily activities with ease, contributing to a better quality of life. So, what's the simple change that can make a difference? Let's uncover it. The one simple change we're focusing on is incorporating resistance training into your routine. Resistance training involves any exercise that causes the muscles to work against an external force. This can include weights, resistance bands, or even your body weight. Here's why resistance training is so effective for boosting muscle strength after 60. Increased muscle mass. Regular resistance training stimulates muscle growth, helping to counteract age-related muscle loss. Enhanced bone health. Strength training improves bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Improved functional performance. Resistance exercises help with daily tasks, making it easier to lift, carry, and move around. Imagine being able to lift your grandkids or carry groceries without feeling fatigued. By incorporating resistance training, you can regain that strength and confidence. Now that we've established the importance of resistance training, let's dive into how you can get started. Have you ever tried resistance training? What has been your experience? Share your thoughts in the comments below. To effectively incorporate resistance training into your life, follow these steps. 1. Choose the right type of resistance. Start with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, or resistance bands. You can gradually progress to weights as you build strength. 2. Start slow. If you're new to resistance training, begin with 2 sessions per week, focusing on major muscle groups. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. 3. Warm up and cool down. Always start with a warm-up to prepare your muscles and finish with a cool-down to enhance recovery. Here are some beginner-friendly resistance exercises to get you started. Bodyweight squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lower your body as if sitting back in a chair, then rise back up. This works the legs and glutes. Push UPS. Start on your knees if needed, lower your body towards the ground, and push back up. This targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Resistance band rows. Secure a resistance band at a low point, pull it towards you while keeping your elbows close to your body. This strengthens the back and biceps. Think about how strong and capable you'll feel as you progress in your resistance training journey. It's never too late to start, and every little bit helps. That's just the beginning. Let's explore how to stay motivated and consistent with your training. What type of exercises do you enjoy the most? Let's share our favorites in the comments. Staying motivated is key to making resistance training a regular part of your life. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. 1. Set realistic goals. start with achievable goals, such as completing a certain number of workouts per week or increasing your weight gradually. 2. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track your workouts and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. 3. Find a workout buddy. Exercising with a friend can make workouts more enjoyable and provide accountability. 4. Mix it up. To prevent boredom, try different exercises or classes. Explore options like water aerobics, yoga with resistance bands, or using light weights. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels. If something doesn't feel right, modify the exercise or take a break. Imagine celebrating each milestone, whether it's lifting a little more weight or completing another workout. By staying motivated, you can achieve your fitness goals and enjoy the process. Now that we've covered motivation, let's discuss the importance of nutrition in boosting muscle strength after 60. What goals have you set for your fitness journey? Share your aspirations in the comments. As you engage in resistance training, nutrition plays a crucial role in supporting muscle growth and recovery. Here are some key nutritional strategies. Protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Aim for a balanced intake of protein sources, such as lean meats, fish, dairy, legumes, and nuts. Hydration. Staying hydrated is vital for overall health and performance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise. Balanced diet. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats to provide the necessary vitamins and minerals for optimal performance. Here are some meal ideas to support your muscle strength goals. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of nuts for protein and antioxidants. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, colorful veggies, and a vinaigrette dressing. Dinner. Baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli for a balanced meal rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Personal connection segment. Visualize how nourishing your body with the right foods will enhance your strength and energy levels. You have the power to fuel your body for success. Let's take a moment to discuss the importance of rest and recovery in your training program. What are your favorite healthy meals? Let's share our go-to recipes in the comments. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. Here's why. Muscle repair. Resistance training causes tiny tears in muscle fibers, and rest allows these fibers to heal and grow stronger. Preventing injury. Overtraining can lead to fatigue and injury. Giving your body time to recover ensures you stay healthy and can continue exercising. Here are some strategies to enhance your recovery process. 1. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is essential for muscle recovery and overall health. 2. Active recovery. Incorporate low-intensity activities like walking, stretching, or yoga on rest days to promote blood flow and recovery. 3. Listen to your body. If you feel fatigued or sore, consider taking an additional rest day or modifying your workout intensity. Imagine waking up refreshed and ready to tackle your next workout. By prioritizing recovery, you can enhance your performance and enjoy the benefits of your efforts. Now that we've covered recovery, let's discuss the mental aspect of strength training. How do you ensure you get enough rest and recovery? Share your tips in the comments. The mental aspect of strength training is crucial for success. Here's how to cultivate a positive mindset. Positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and accomplishments. Visualization. Picture yourself achieving your fitness goals. Visualization can enhance motivation and focus. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory. Here are some strategies to build mental resilience. 1. Mindfulness practices. Incorporate mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing to reduce stress and improve focus. 2. Stay curious. Approach your workouts with curiosity and excitement. Try new exercises, classes, or activities to keep things fresh. 3. Connect with others. Surround yourself with supportive friends or join a fitness community. Sharing your journey with others can boost motivation and accountability. Imagine feeling empowered and resilient as you pursue your fitness journey. By nurturing your mental health, you'll enhance your overall well-being and success in strength training. Now that we've covered the mental aspect, let's recap everything you've learned today. To recap, we've explored one simple change to boost muscle strength after 60, incorporating resistance training into your routine. Here are the key takeaways. 1. Understand the importance of muscle strength and the factors contributing to muscle loss. 2. Begin a resistance training routine with bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or weights. 3. Stay motivated by setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, and finding a workout buddy. 4. Fuel your body with proper nutrition, focusing on protein intake and hydration. 5. Prioritize rest and recovery to allow your muscles to heal and grow stronger. 6. Cultivate a positive mindset to enhance your strength training journey. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly improve your muscle strength and overall quality of life. Remember, it's never too late to start your fitness journey. With dedication and the right mindset, you can achieve incredible results and enjoy a healthier, more active lifestyle. If this video resonated with you, please like this video to help others discover these important insights. Share it with someone who may benefit from this information. Subscribe for more discussions on health, wellness, and fitness tailored for seniors. Comment your biggest takeaway from today's video. Your feedback is invaluable. Your journey to boosted muscle strength starts now. Let's support each other in achieving our fitness goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out these other videos for more fitness tips and insights. Together, we can create a supportive community focused on health and wellness.